This festive dish is delicious, colorful, and has an artistic flair. An Armenian folk song has even been written about the very dish. Chef Ara Zada shows us how to make Heyecan Ghapama.
Ghapama dates back to very far back in Armenia. It's not something you eat every single day, but an event for Christmas, New Year, holiday season. I do with sugar pumpkins.
This is a sugar pumpkin?
This is a sugar pumpkin. They're smaller, they're slightly sweeter.
So let's make Ghapama.
Let's make Ghapama. The steps are essentially, we have 1 onion, we have about 1.5 cups of rice, you got a 1/3 cup of slivered almonds or sliced almonds, a 1/3 cup of walnuts, you got about a 1/2 cup of dried apricot, 5 or so quartered prunes, and then these are sour cherries, or in Armenia they use hon, about a tablespoon of honey, and then we will we'll stir this up right here. So we mix this all up together, okay? And there's one more thing we need. We need apple cider vinegar.
Oh.
So a touch of apple cider vinegar. So this adds a slight tartness to it. We're gonna mix this all up. Now, I made a lot for this little pumpkin.
Yes.
We're gonna go in with a little bit of honey. So in, as I spin this around, a little bit of olive oil or neutral oil, right? Inside, avocado oil works really well. So we'll spoon this in. So we got our Ghapama.
Yeah.
Give it a little pat. Pop that in. We pop this lid on, onto a sheet tray, into an oven, and then out comes Heyecan Ghapama.
That's right.
350 degrees, about an hour. What you're looking for is a toothpick to kind of just pop in and out easily. Now you know your pumpkin is done. One that way, one this way.
It's really good.